Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily add or import a token into MetaMask step by step. Let's get started. First, open your MetaMask extension on your browser. You can do that by clicking on the MetaMask icon at the top of your screen. Once it opens, switch to the full view if needed so you can clearly see the dashboard. Now, on the main interface, you'll notice different tabs like Assets and Activity. Make sure you're on the Assets section where your tokens are listed. To add a new token, look for the option that allows you to import tokens. You'll usually find it by clicking on the menu or scrolling down to the Import Tokens button. Go ahead and click on it. Next, you'll see a search bar where you can type the name of the token you want to add. For example, you can search for a token like USDT or any other token you need. Once you find the correct token, select it, then click Next, and after that, confirm by clicking Import. And that's it. The token will now appear in your wallet. Even if the balance shows 0, the token has been successfully added and is ready to use. I hope this quick guide helped you out. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this.